for a moment. Assuming it ever wants to actually crash back there. And then we've got to double check everything. Yes, good. So okay, we import a object. So we've imported this one. We click here. We click add object. You'll notice we've got the two objects now. Then we go export scenery. And we give it a name. So in this case we'll call it RPG Gable. We just did that to the wrong one, didn't we? Okay, you update this, and we want to call it it's made the BGL, which we can now call from in our airport design editor. So in here we go to Library Objects Manager, and we tell it that we want to add a file. So we're going to go add file. Normally we'd have it up there, but for the purpose of this I'm going to jump to here. I'm going to go down to YWLM. Two objects found. See, we've got Gable 0 and 1. Category Gables. This one will actually be Gable straight. So we've got our two objects, we tap save, and what this allows us to do now is add object, library object, add, and you'll notice we've got our gable. Now this one's we've probably made the gables a little small. I wasn't exactly aiming for accuracy in terms of sizing. Now this one's a little harder, especially since I didn't actually center it. We can presume that's right by looking, if we go here, this is that corner where we're rotating from, or it should be. So we're rotating from that corner. We actually want it placed like so. So I'll probably redo the gables, make them a little bit bigger, but that shows you the idea. I'll go through, and over the course of the next couple of days we'll make up the library, and then I will give you a look at what it looks like and all that fun stuff, and we'll move on from there. But we've got a number of items we need to make. A couple of hangers, the carport objects, we need two of them because we've got the small one and the larger one. The archway here, some of the tanks. We're not going to really worry about doing all these buildings back here, or if we do, it'll be very, very basic and they'll be on a higher density setting. We need to do these and the ground poly section that'll sit across here for the arrestor wire cable. We can do that as an object, or we can do it as a ground poly. The bunker areas here in the walls, so we can do the walls here as possibly a blast fence. This building, the bunkers. That's about everything that we'll need to do for Williamtown. Possibly some custom vehicles to stick around. Anyway, we'll sign off there and we'll come back to this later. Thanks guys. And always remember to save your